To get started, let's first download Sketchup. Look up Sketchup in your browser and click the first link. Then click on the Trimble Lab logo on the top right and then sign in. You should already have an account through your WSU email because you have a Sketchup subscription through the school. So go ahead and sign in. If you can't sign in for some reason, then create an account. Now, once you've logged in, click on the Trimble Lab logo again, go to My Products, and then in this list of products, you'll be able to find Sketchup at the top here, and you'll want to click Download Sketchup. Go ahead and scroll down to Sketchup 2026, and depending on which computer you have, you'll either want the Mac OS or more likely the Sketchup 2026 Windows. Download it. Once you have it downloaded, go ahead and double click it. And once it loads, go ahead and if you have a folder that you want to download it in, change the folder. I'm going to use my program files and click install. When Sketchup prompts you to install V-Ray as well, you do not need to download it right now. You can always download it later. You can click Finish on Sketchup. Now that you have Sketchup installed, you can click on your search bar and then look up Sketchup 2026 and it'll say App. Go ahead and click on that and sign in. It'll take you to the browser and it will automatically sign you in if you are already logged in. And you will get to the home page. Great job in downloading SketchUp. Next we'll move into the modeling of the site. You will also likely be able to find the SketchUp desktop shortcut